Hello everyone and welcome to another Fantasy Grounds Unity video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about the new Unity Assets interface. Now to access the Assets interface, you just simply click on the Assets button here in the lower right hand corner of the Fantasy Grounds user interface. And when you do, the Assets panel interface opens up as you see here, and a couple things that I want to show you first. The first is there are some buttons here at the top. This is how you access the different types of assets that are stored here. So basically, if you click on the tokens button, these are going to be all of your different bags that you have for tokens. And depending on if you purchase modules, if you purchase rule sets, more and more token bags will show up for you. So if you basically just put all of your own content in there, you won't have as many bags as you see here. You could do the same for portraits. You can do the same for images. And in images, your maps are stored here as well. Or if you want to do a search for everything, you can click on the all button. And you can see that there is a search box here, and we can search for anything. But just make sure you have the appropriate category that you want to search first. Or if you just want to search all, you can do that as well. Now over here on the right hand side, you're going to notice that there is a little circular button with 9 dots. This is how you can toggle the display of your assets interface, and right now it is in a grid type of interface, and you can click on this button and then it will take all of the bags and then it will list them for you. So you have two different ways that you can basically display the bags, either in a grid or a list. Now you're also going to notice the more bags that you have, there are going to be some navigation buttons on the right or the left hand side of the assets interface. And the more bags that you have, obviously the more pages that you will have as well. And then you can just kind of go back and forth and look through all of your bags. But I would recommend using the search because it's going to take a lot less time to search for something. So down here on the bottom, you're going to have a store button, so you can click on the store button, and when you do that, a page is going to open up in your browser, and it is going to take you to the Fantasy Grounds store. Next, there is a folder button. The folder button, if you click on this, your app data will open up, and this is where you're going to store all of your tokens, all of your portraits, and all of your images and art and stuff. So the one thing that you want to make sure that you do is before you hit the folder button, make sure you have the appropriate category that you want to import stuff to. So if you want to, import a couple of maps, just make sure you click on images and then click on the folder. And when you do that, here is your folder that all of your custom images will be stored. And the same thing, it works the same way for your tokens and your portraits as well. Now, when you do that, and you close out of your folder, just make sure that you hit the refresh folder assets button down here beside the folder button. This will refresh it, and then all of your content will be stored that you put into Fantasy Grounds Unity in the very first bag called Campaign. And when you click on that, there is the Underworld map that I had put in myself. So there you go. That is pretty much everything you need to know about the Assets interface. So now that I've shown you all of the features regarding the Assets interface, I also want to show you how to access the free content that you will get as well. And you'll get this free content no matter if you have a standalone license or a subscription, and it goes for if you have a standard license or an ultimate license. So you'll get a pack of maps, and then you'll also get several token and Pog packs as well. Now, if you don't have as many bags or modules that I have on my developer account, you will see these bags much easier. So I will, in the comments section, I will go ahead and name all of the different packs that you're going to get. And you will get a total of 8 packs, which one will be a letter token pack, one will be a battle map pack, and then there's going to be a token and Pog pack for animals, a token and Pog pack for monsters, and a token and Pog pack for characters. So you'll have all the basics covered without having to really buy any other token packs. So I just kind of want to show you what they are going to be. So in the search, I am just going to type in FG Battle. And when I do that, this is going to be the free map pack that you are going to get. And it has quite a few packs. I think it has about 30 or so, 30 plus maps. And you can see there's all kinds of, there's some caves, there's some dungeons, there's some caverns, there's some outdoor stuff. So definitely take advantage of using these maps. And there's a couple forest maps as well. So to access these maps, you just basically click on them and then you can enlarge these. And they're actually really nice maps, especially for being free. I would definitely use them, that's for sure. And then if you wanted to use them and share them to your players, then you would just go ahead and click the create image record. And from here, it will send it to your images sidebar button on the right hand side. And then you'll have access on sharing that, or you could even unlock the map and then you can add line of sight to it. You can add light sources. You can do all of that stuff. So there is the map pack. Now I also want to show you the different Pog packs that you're going to get. So all you have to do is just type in letters. So you'll get a bunch of letters. And let's see, I'm going to go to tokens here. Make sure you have the right category selected. And when I type in letter, here are all the different letter tokens that you're going to get. So you will get these. And you will also get some animal Pogs. So let's type in animal. And let's make sure I got that spelled right. And you'll see a couple of packs pop up here. So there are animal Pogs, animal tokens. So I will show you the animal tokens. And the animal tokens are going to be a clear, transparent PNG top down, sort of like, you know, all of the famous Devon Knight tokens. So you'll get these, and then you will also get a Pog pack that has the same images on a Pog base. So I'll show you what those look like as well. So we'll type in animal again, and then here is the animal Pogs. And then, as you can see, these are the same tokens as you've seen, but they just have a Pog base because, you know, some DMs like to have games with Pogs, which I actually enjoy using either Pogs or all of the custom miniatures that I've put into Fantasy Grounds with the gray base that I had made. So it's all up to the DM. But, you know, there are some token packs that actually give you a choice of, hey, I want either transparent top-down tokens or I want Pogs. So not only will you get animals, you'll also get monsters. So when you type in monsters, there will be a monster folder for you and also a monster Pog. So I think I need to just type in monster instead of monsters. So here we are. Yep, there they are. So the monster tokens, they're all in alphabetical order. So here are what they look like. So I'm just going to show you what the tokens look like. So you'll actually get quite a few monster tokens, everything from A to Z. And there are several pages of these tokens. And then there's also a Pog pack of the same, you know, array of tokens as well. And it would be in the monster Pog bag. Now you're also going to get some characters as well. And just type in character. And here are your character Pogs and your character tokens. So I'll show you what all the character Pogs look like. And then you'll also get the same character Pogs in a clear, transparent PNG just by doing a character search for tokens. So there you go. That's how you access all of the free content. And a lot of folks don't know that, you know, maps and tokens and Pogs come with the software. So I just wanted to let you know that as well. And in the comment section below, I will go ahead and list all of the different content packs that you will get for free with Fantasy Grounds Unity. So there you go, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something today. And if you liked the video, please do me a huge favor. Give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on that bell notification because you'll get notified every every time I make one of these Fantasy Grounds Unity videos. So thank you again for watching, everyone, and until next video, happy gaming.